it is the best county, not just economically or academically, but socially.
People are very friendly and people are very diverse.
Orange County is a vibrant community. It's a community of both rural and urban areas.
We are a university-related community.
We're a very eclectic, diverse community, very free-spirited.
I think you're hard-pressed to meet someone who's not engaged in a cause or volunteering.
El Centro Hispano is a Latino nonprofit organization, and we work to strengthen the community, to build bridges, and advocate for equity and inclusion for Hispanics, Latinos in the Triangle area.
RENA is the Rogers Eubanks Neighborhood Association. It's a satellite community center in an unincorporated area of Orange County. The melting pot of culture and cuisine right here in our community.
Compass Center's mission is to promote safety, self-sufficiency, and health. We are the domestic violence service provider for Orange County.
The mission of SafeKids is to prevent childhood injury, such as gunshot wounds, car accidents, and fire injuries.
Our mission specifically for Volunteer Connect 55 Plus is to ensure that all Orange County residents aged 55 and older are exposed to and receive all the resources and programming that they need in order to age well.
The S.A.L.T program attempts to match isolated seniors in the community with a volunteer who will go visit them and provide social contact on a weekly basis.
Our mission is a prepared, coordinated, and integrated emergency services system.
The mission of the Shepherd Fire Department is to provide valuable assistance to the community in times of need.
The North Carolina Governor's Highway Safety Program works to reduce traffic crashes in North Carolina. One of the tools to do that, frankly, is awareness, but also enforcement. They really have that mindset. Working with us in traffic safety is really going above and beyond what a sheriff has to do.
The sheriff is a constitutional officer in North Carolina. That is, the state constitution recognizes the necessity of each county's having a sheriff. The sheriff has jurisdiction throughout the county. Generally, that jurisdiction is shared with local law enforcement for municipalities.
Of course, as a town, we have our own chief of police, our own police force. It's really important that our law enforcement coordinates with the sheriff, and we've worked together on several community objectives that we all agree on.
There's a lot of planning and training that happens behind the scenes to ensure we can work smoothly, especially as we're having all these events. These recent rallies are a good example. Like it takes about 4 to 5 days to plan with our partners to be able to successfully have these rallies and make sure the public's safe and we're meeting all the needs of the public. Same thing with Final Fours and NCAAs and Halloween.
In the background are all of our emergency management planners, and everybody is coordinating a plan when we've had to pull support from all over the county to assist with an event.
One of the most successful things that SafeKids has done with the Sheriff's Department to date has been the starting of the Orange County Gun Safety Team, where we brought together the school systems, all the law enforcement in the county, and we hosted it at the Sheriff's office and had a really great discussion about how we can get more gun locks out in the community for free and how we can work together collaboratively to spread the message of safe gun storage for children.
In our summer camp, we began to do what we call a bike rodeo. Law enforcement gave us the safety of biking, but they also created a relationship with the young participants of the program.
Our community members, they live in fear because deportation, that's why it's important for people to be able to call the police or the sheriff's office if they have an issue. We have a direct communication with them and we can call them and say, how can you help us?
We've had several seminars, Know Your Rights programs put on by El Centro. We always have law enforcement represented, not just from the municipalities, but from the sheriff's office as well. The people in attendance can see. We all share the same values and they're all there to support the community.
Compass Center has been partnering with the Sheriff's Office, and we're about to launch e-filing for protective orders, in huge part because of the Sheriff's Office advocacy around helping us be selected.
Volunteers are identified through the Volunteer Connect 55 Plus program. The seniors may come in any number of different ways. They may come in through talking with the deputy that's in their area. They may come in through contacting the sheriff himself or the sheriff's office. Then on a weekly basis, the volunteer starts visiting the person.
We also have our commodity supplemental food box program. So we have several residents in Orange County that are in the more rural parts of our county that don't have access to transportation. And one of the main ways that we're able to get these boxes to them is because the Sheriff's Office is partnering with us and they're delivering the boxes to them.
Sheriff does a really great job of engaging across the entire county.
We all coordinate to make sure that we're providing accessible, respectful services for a really diverse community.
Because we understand it's the only way we can have a safer community.
We are a family. We treat each other as family. We work together. We work with all our brothers and sisters in the town as well as throughout the county.
There is no other place I would rather work, and there are no other people I would rather work with.
I've lived in Orange County all my life. I can't think of a better place to live. We have just a little bit of everything in Orange County, whether you like the beach, whether you like the mountains. 2 hours in either directions and you're there. I will say that this county and this community is progressive. We have the best schools, we have the best educators, we have music, we have food, we have entertainment. If you like sports, this is the place to be. Whether you're starting a career in law enforcement or coming to us from another area, just come check us out, join our team. We think you'll be glad you did.